It's nice to see. Hopefully you're doing well. I'm doing pretty good. Well, I'm happy about this cook. I got. Oh, hold on. What do you think? How do I look? I'm digging them. My wife bought them for me for Christmas, so they're gonna come in handy when I'm out there in the sun. Don't have to worry about, you know, the sun blazing my eyes. Got some protection now, so I'm digging them. Yeah, Cowboys. Yeah, but I got a cook going on. I've already fired up my Bronco. I've got some B&B briquettes, post oak wood chunks. Great match right there. And I'm gonna get the temp. I'm gonna let it go from 250 to 275. I'm cool with that. So what I got is I'm hanging some pork steaks. Delicious pork steaks. Oh yeah, they will be. Yes, yes. So I'm gonna hang them. So if you never seen that before in the Bronco, well, you're gonna look at it now. Normally, you know, you can wrap the pork steaks when they get to a certain, you know, time or temperature, internal temperature of the pork steaks. It's just like, you know, you're doing a pork butt, because, you know, it's sliced into, you know, steaks the way the steaks look. So that's what a pork steak is. So, you know, there's certain temperature you still got to take it up to if you want it, you know, real good. So I'll be taking it up, you know, what's probably going to be over 200, maybe close to 200. So yeah, you could also wrap them in foil, maybe put some juices in there if you want, just to help out and make it more tender. But, you know, I don't think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm just gonna hang them, let it roll like that, and see how that goes. You know, but if you want them to be real tender and tear apart, you know, wrap them, and then you'll be good on that. And then take them off when you like the firmness of them. But if you want to go by internal temperature of the pork steak, then, you know, from 195 to 200, over 200, you know. But so that's what I got right now, and I'm excited because I love me some pork steaks. So let's get to it. Just below 275. Yeah. All right, let's check it. Oh yeah, let that smoke clear, but just from here, looking good. Nice color. See this one in the back, I did daisy chain it. I got one hook in the bottom and then the one up top. Reason for hooking it in the bottom is because where it meets right there, it actually, where the fat connects both top and bottom, it's already pretty much just come apart. So I knew that if I were to hang it with just one hook, it would just fall off from the bottom. So they just changed it to make sure it'll stay connected. But yeah, what do you think? Looking good so far. After 1 hour, and honestly, they look pretty good. I won't spritz them right now. I may wait. But yeah. So all right. And this is after 1 hour. So looking good. I'm telling you, it has a nice color to it. I know that sun's pretty bright right now. It's not letting y'all really get the full effect of what it looks like, but from my point of view, it looks great. But I'll bring y'all back. Rolling smoke. Look at that. Beautiful. That post oak with chunks. Yeah. It's been a good day. Good day. Enjoying my time. That's what it's all about. Look at that. Cold brew. Yeah. Nice. Look at that. Alright, let's check where it's at. 275. How do you like that? That's where I'm sitting at. The one is always wide open. Unless I'm having trouble controlling the temp, and then I'll start moving it to close it. But we're good for now. Oh man. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Well, I'm not going to spritz. I'm going to let it ride for a bit more. And then we'll continue on. But look at that. What do you think? So far, huh? Beautiful color, right? I had to get in the sun's way to get some shade so y'all can see better. But looking good, right? That's what the charcoal looks like so far. It's been steady. Been steady. But yeah, it's looking good. Alright, so let it ride for a little bit more, and then we'll see what's up from then. But yeah, I'm loving it. Alright, let's go. Oh man, nice, they're done. Ooh, look at that color on them. Alright, what I'm doing when I take them off, I'm actually going to sauce up 2 of them with the Texas pepper jelly. So I'm gonna do that right now, and then I'm gonna eat. I'm hungry. Alright, that's that Texas pepper jelly, rib candy. I've already sauced up this side right here, so you want to get it. Now let's do the other side. Yeah. Alright, so like I said, I already got the other side. I got this side done. It's the good stuff right here. So I'm gonna go about probably another 5, maybe 10 minutes, let it sit, and then I'm gonna eat. Alright, look at that. Beautiful. Alright, that rib candy set. Take it off, and then I'm gonna bite into it. Oh yeah. So look at that. Delicious. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, it's been a good day. I'm enjoying my time. Just out here cooking, drinking my favorite brews. So, this is what I got right here. Oh man, I'm ready. I'm not even gonna cut into it. I'm just gonna bite right through it. Oh yeah. Man. It's a pork flavor. I think I took too much big bite. Oh man. Oh yeah. Texas pepper jelly. It's awesome. Oh man. So it was a 3-hour cook, $275 for the first 2 hours, and I dropped it down to $250 for the last hour. And as you saw, I applied some Texas pepper jelly to it. It is good. Well, that's nothing to it. Just hang them, and if you want to, put them in aluminum foil, if you want to temp it, see where it's at, stack it to 160, 65, 70, wrap it in foil, add maybe some like apple juice to it, and check it maybe an hour from that. Probe it, see how good it feels with the temp set, and you're good. That's all that's to it. Nothing much to it, folks. Well, it's time for me to eat. So I'm gonna let you go. As always, folks, take yourself by. Thank you for watching. Smoke on, everyone.